Would you like your little boy or girl to become the protagonist of a delightful illustrated book? You can magically create your book in less than 5 minutes. How does it work? And you'll discover books for all ages and tastes. Choose your favourite book and personalise it with details of your little boy or girl. Each book has various fields to fill out. Write a beautiful dedication, upload your favourite photo, and they will appear in the book. And the best part is that you can see a preview of the completed book free of charge before buying it. According to the country you're buying it from, you will be able to select different payment types. Our magical story creators will carefully prepare each book for you. The boy or girl will receive a beautiful illustrated story with a dedication written by you, in which he or she is the protagonist and which will be treasured forever. May reading and imagination be with you always.